Welcome back to DK Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most detailed car reviews to help you make the best choice for your next ride. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the newest cars hitting the market. Today, we have something exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Suzuki Wagon. Suzuki has been a well-known name in the compact car segment, and the wagon has always been a popular choice for those looking for a practical, fuel-efficient, and affordable vehicle. But does the latest model live up to expectations? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the 2025 Suzuki Wagon has undergone some significant changes. The new model features a more modern and aerodynamic look compared to its predecessor. The front fascia is now sharper, with a redesigned grille that seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED headlamps. The bumper has been reworked to give the car a more aggressive stance, while the fog lamps are neatly placed to enhance visibility in low-light conditions. Suzuki has also introduced new alloy wheel designs that not only add to the style but also improve overall stability. Moving to the side profile, the wagon retains its signature tallboy stance, ensuring ample headroom for passengers. However, the lines are now more refined, giving it a slightly premium feel. The rear of the car has also been updated, with new LED tail lamps that stretch across the tailgate, adding a touch of sophistication. The redesigned rear bumper blends well with the overall look, making the car appear more balanced. Now, let's step inside. The cabin of the 2025 Suzuki Wagon has been completely refreshed with better materials and an improved layout. The dashboard now features a larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster has gone digital, providing real-time information in a more interactive and easy-to-read format. Suzuki has focused on enhancing comfort, and that's evident in the new premium fabric upholstery, improved seat cushioning, and better ergonomics for both the driver and passengers. Space has always been a strong point for the wagon, and the 2025 model continues to offer impressive legroom and headroom for a car of its size. The rear seats are more supportive, making long journeys comfortable for passengers. The boot space is also generous, with the flexibility to fold down the rear seats for added cargo capacity. Suzuki has also introduced more storage compartments inside the cabin, ensuring practicality remains a key aspect of the wagon's design. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Wagon comes with an improved 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine that delivers a balance of power and fuel efficiency. This engine is available with both a manual and an automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. Suzuki has also fine-tuned the engine for better fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient cars in its segment. For those looking for an even greener option, Suzuki offers a mild hybrid variant that enhances fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. Driving the new wagon is a smooth experience. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic, while the improved suspension setup ensures a more comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The enhanced NVH noise, vibration, and harshness levels mean that the cabin remains quieter, providing a more refined driving experience. The braking system has been upgraded as well, offering better stopping power and increased safety. Speaking of safety, Suzuki has made significant improvements in this area. The 2025 wagon is equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure for better crash protection. Higher variants also include additional features like a rear-view camera, electronic stability control, and even some advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. Another aspect where the new wagon excels is technology. Suzuki has integrated more smart features to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system is now more responsive, with voice control functionality. The digital instrument cluster provides navigation assistance, fuel consumption data, and trip details. Suzuki has also added connected car features that allow you to remotely access certain functions like door locking, climate control settings, and even vehicle health monitoring through a mobile app. The 2025 Suzuki Wagon is designed to cater to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a city commuter looking for an economical and easy-to-drive car, a small family needing a practical and spacious hatchback, or someone who enjoys a tech-packed vehicle without breaking the bank, this car ticks all the right boxes. The pricing remains competitive, making it one of the best value for money options in the market. Now, let's talk about the variants. Suzuki offers the 2025 wagon in multiple trims, starting from the base model with essential features to the top-end variant loaded with premium additions. The higher trims include alloy wheels, a touchscreen infotainment system, a rear-view camera, and additional safety features. The mild hybrid variant, though slightly more expensive, offers better mileage and lower running costs, making it a great option for those who drive frequently. Fuel efficiency is a major selling point of the new wagon. The petrol variant delivers an impressive mileage figure, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. The mild hybrid version takes it a step further, offering even better fuel economy with Suzuki's smart hybrid technology. This makes the wagon not only economical but also environmentally friendly. On the road, the car performs well for its segment. While it's not a performance-oriented vehicle, it delivers adequate power for city driving and occasional highway trips. The automatic transmission is smooth and convenient for urban commutes, while the manual variant offers a more engaging drive. The lightweight design helps in achieving good acceleration while keeping fuel consumption in check. Suzuki has also ensured that maintenance costs remain low, which has always been a strong selling point for the brand. The spare parts are affordable, and service intervals are well spaced, making it a hassle-free ownership experience. Suzuki's widespread service network further adds to the convenience, ensuring you're never too far from a service center. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Wagon is a well-rounded package. It brings a fresh design, an improved interior, better technology, enhanced safety, and great fuel efficiency while maintaining the practicality and affordability that made it popular in the first place. It's a perfect choice for first-time car buyers, city dwellers, and those looking for a reliable and economical daily driver. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Suzuki Wagon. What are your thoughts on this new model? Do you think it's the best option in its segment, or would you consider its competitors? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to DK Auto Reviews for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.